Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I am bringing you a what I eat in a day pregnancy edition styled video. Since becoming pregnant, my appetite has been like all over the place. Some days I'm like starving 24/7, other days I hate food and I hate the smell of food and I hate everything around me. So today I thought I would just sit down and show you all of the things that I currently like to eat that have helped curb my crazy pregnancy food aversions things that I have going on. I've also teamed up with HelloFresh for this video, so I will be showing you a meal plan that they have sent to me that I absolutely loved. If you guys are interested in trying out the HelloFresh option, I will have that linked down below in the description box so you can check that out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know down in the comment section below. Please keep in mind that everything I have showed in this video works for my body and me and my lifestyle. What works for me may not necessarily work for you because we are all different. So please keep that in mind as you are watching this video. Again, baby is happy, healthy, and doing great, so everything that I'm eating seems to be working perfectly for my little bundle of joy. So again, keep that in mind if you are pregnant and you're trying to come up with food options for yourself. Just go with what works best for you and your baby. Don't necessarily go step by step of everything that's going on in this video. Other than that, I love you guys so much and I will see you in our next video. Bye! So the first meal of the day is breakfast, and I usually have this around 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. and I always have egg whites, a bagel with butter, kiwi, of course, because I'm obsessed, and my prenatal vitamins and a glass of orange juice. So I take the Jamieson's vitamin D and the Jamieson's Prenatal Plus DHA multivitamin. I take the vitamin D because it is winter time and we obviously don't spend that much time outside in the sun, so the baby always needs a little bit extra vitamin D. And I have egg whites for protein and my bagel for my carbs and a glass of orange juice. I've been told that vitamin C helps with the absorption. For the love of God, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Helps with the absorption of iron. So I always have a glass of orange juice with my prenatal vitamin because if you have too much iron in your diet, your poop can be constipated. Too much information, I know, but that's the life of a pregnant woman. And I hate being constipated. So yes, this is pretty much my breakfast. My next meal I usually have about 3 hours later, so lunch is pretty much a very difficult meal for me to have. I can never figure out what it is that I want, so here is a very crazy pregnancy combination as to what I'm going to eat today. So I have a bowl of Greek yogurt that I pair with the Love Grown oat clusters along with some chia seeds, and I also have a bowl of grapes, and then I pair that with some rice cakes and avocado. So I always have a giant bowl of Greek yogurt for lunch because I find it's a great way to get in some extra protein and to up my calcium intake. I'm not a huge dairy lover. Greek yogurt was a huge stretch and took me some time to get used to, but it was a great way for me to get in some calcium because I struggle with getting in enough calcium in my diet for the baby. And then I add some oat clusters and chia seeds on top to help with the flavor because I really just don't like the flavor of Greek yogurt at all. And then I add in my brown rice cakes and some avocado to up my carb intake and to add some more omegas and healthy fats. Now this may come as a surprise to you guys, but I do only eat 3 meals a day when I am home. I don't know what it is, I just never really feel super hungry when I'm home, so 3 big meals a day is all that I really need. And today I have teamed up with HelloFresh to test out their meal service program, which is absolutely amazing. My fiance and I struggle every single night to decide on what it is that we would like to eat and what may or may not trigger my pregnancy super sensitive hormones. So I love that this service, you literally log in online and you can pick and choose what you would like to have delivered to you that week. Everything gets delivered to your door in a box, and inside the box comes the bags with each meal inside of it, and everything is broken down into that meal. So all you have to do is unwrap and cook and you're good to go. So today's dinner, I have chosen the Indonesian chicken fried rice, which I absolutely loved. It was made up of brown rice, green beans, sweet potato, corn, and ginger, I believe, and a little bit of garlic, and I absolutely loved it. Baby loved it. It didn't trigger any sensitive smell for me, which was really awesome, and I had enough left over for lunch the next day, which is always a bonus. I also really loved that all of these meals literally only take 30 minutes to make, which cuts down my time spent in the kitchen because cooking has become such a task for me at the end of the day. I'm usually just so exhausted and so tired and have so many back problems with this baby that all I want to do is just get in and out of the kitchen as quickly as possible. So I love that these meals only take 30 minutes to make. If you guys are interested at all in trying out the HelloFresh food delivery service, then you can head on over to the link down below in my description box. It is www.hellofresh.com, and you can get $30 off your first week with HelloFresh with the promo code Bloomfield30. So I'll have all of that linked down below in the description box if you would like to check that out. Now, I got the classic box, but you can also choose between a family or vegetarian option if you're interested. And that is it. This is usually what I eat on a really good day. Please keep in mind, most of my days end up in me eating a lot of junk food. So just know nobody is perfect. So don't fret. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.